What are you doing?
I'm putting this blanket on.
Do a magic trick?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
I put it up. Where did it go?
Can't hear you.
Nice. It's there. It's there.
It disappeared! Ta-da! Good job! Can you make it reappear?
Yes.
What do you say?
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice. Good, good, good.
Okay. I do magic. I can do magic.
Yes, you can.
Yes, I can.
We were just watching Xanadu, so that's appropriate.
Huh?
Nothing.
A breaking.
Wow, it's gone! Great job. Can you take a bow? Good job. High five.
Let's do that again.
Okay.